So the idea was, since this is a 2-4 trend line break, there should be at least a small down movement. I also shorted SBI, which has the similar pattern. Let me show SBI quickly. I think this is the move down, right? So I shorted SBI over here alongside Bank Nifty, and this leg down and small movement afterwards. I think I exited here and near this leg itself, because I don't recall having this movement in. So this was, as you can see, an intraday trade, because this is like a hourly candle, so it was closed within the same day. Both were, I think, 10% and 8% profit, something. One was 12% profit, the other was 8%, something like that. Both were option trades. So that was all for the trades. What about you, Amit? Any trades other than this Bank Nifty and SBI?
This one I have taken it actually. Yeah, this trade I have taken it. Apart from that, let me just check out actually. I put it in this. Actually, I took two trades on Bank Nifty. One was the up move 2 or 3 days ahead, and then of course there's a short with this thing. Yeah, this one.
This one, right?
Yeah, Bank Nifty booked profits, and then this put was actually I was planning for this put. So the same put I've actually taken to 38.2%, which I was planning to come down. The below one, like yeah. So this was a call, but I took it a day before yesterday, and then up early morning it has a gap up actually. So I booked the profits in the gap up itself.
Okay.
And then I draw this channel, and then the next short I was waiting for this channel to be broken, which eventually that broke after I think a next day.
And we took the shorts as well.
Yeah, and that's the same thing what you have taken actually. So both the trades I've taken on that thing. And this was a pretty, this trade was
M&M, right?
Yeah, M&M. It's a very, it's an intraday kind of a thing, which I realized that it has made some gap of about 0.786. And anyway, it is a part of an impulse. So I just took a risk to go for it. So it was quite a good move I got. And I took in futures actually. So I covered almost the whole rally for this thing, in fact. Yeah. And exactly at the upper resistance, that is 468.5, I just tried booking way below it actually.
Okay, let's quickly review all the stocks which we are tracking on the American market, but not giving too much time. What were there? Zoom?
Yeah.
And TTD. TTD, I have already posted, right? Nothing new. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Maybe this is the 3. 4 and 1 lakh might be remaining. When did we check this last time? This one was a bullish from the analysis, right? We were saying buy because there was a 38.2 reversal. This was a buy. This is the Slack post. So when it was like this, we had the 4 or X, and this is the only hypothesis we had, right?
Yeah.
I think H2 was relegated because 5 is shown here. So this is the only working hypo, and it played out precisely. So this is the kind of trade we can do: short-term swing buying options of weekly or monthly expiry, something like that. And the movement was from 305 to they have weekly expiries on this chart.
Option, I think so.
So what do you say? 305, we said that it would go at least higher than 330 because that's the near the last high, right? That much we are sure of, right?
Yeah.
So had you purchased around 300, let's say 305, you had purchased 330 calls for June expiry, and that would be, let's say, mid-June something, because by mid-June it should go there, roughly speaking. Although it has already gone way higher than that before mid-June. So is it possible for you to check what's the percentage return on that mid-June expiry right now? Like something like 14 June or something.
To 300% probably something like that.
300%
the-
return on calls.
I think so because the June call,
Mhm.
when it is at trading at 300, is probably worth $5, and right now that the same thing should be worth at least $15 because it's already $15 in the $25 in the money, right?
$25. Yep, it is.
Yeah.
So
I think
that's, but you are not considering Vega in that, right? It's just in the money you're considering.
yeah, I'm considering like the option expired.
Isn't there any way for